Welcome back, everybody. As always, thank you very much for your support in watching my nonsense. You've seen me preparing this meal. You've seen me cooking this meal. Please check out those previous videos. And now you're going to watch me eating this nice tasty steak. Let's see what this tastes like. Well, it's tender. Oh. I think I need a better fork. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. Now that's what I call steak. Nicely well done, but tender too. I like my steak to look cooked, not like it's still going to try and run away from me. And the wedgie potatoes, they come out okay as well. They're a bit crispy. Well, I bet. Just so you don't think that old greedy Hobbs has it all. We're sharing some. There you go. We shared some. Lassie, get you. Oi, you don't get carried away with your part there. Okay. Yeah, don't get too carried away. Good girl. Have some more in a minute. You can have some more in a minute. That's your mine. Mmm. Look at that. And look, it cuts very well. Look how tender that is. You know, okay, it's not American beef, but you know, for British beef, you know, it's not bad. Mmm. It's quite breezy out there. Right, we're going to give that bit there to Lassie. So it's not on the plate, it's not on the fork anymore. It's still a little bit pink in the middle. Mmm. So, in the comments below, anyone who's got this far, what's your favourite meal to cook when you're camping? That is unbelievably tender. Before I came on this trip, I nearly didn't bring this with me. Then I thought, well, I'll try and do a meal, you know, every now and again. And if I'm ever actually doing a walk, I don't want to be carrying all of this across Dartmoor with me. One more bit. There. There. Chomp, 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 chomp. That rain's coming down again. Whew, filling up now. Right. There you go. Oh, that was delicious. Time for tea. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, notification, all the usual stuff. I'll see you soon. We'll turn this one off here first. Pardon me. With the sound of a good meal. You thought I'd forgotten to belch, didn't you? Oh wait, let's see. I hadn't forgotten, I just can't force them, they just happen. Oh. Oh, that was nice. Alright, this weather's turning in a bit. I'm going to get in the sleeping bag, it's cooling off a bit. I'll see you later.